My name is Kendall Moore.
Peter LeBrands.
Yep, and we work for Highline Restoration up in northern Wyoming, a small town called Cowley. We're kind of looking for different ways to become more versatile business because we build houses, from dirt work, foundation, all the way up. It's probably close to endless as far as what you can use this for, which kind of makes it pretty cool. We're talking about putting it on a roof. And he's like, yeah, absolutely. And for our application, for us to outsource that to some tar company or something would be a lot of money. And so to save on like a spec house type scenario or a restoration project, something like this, saves us all sorts of money in just knowing how to use it correctly.
Hi, my name is Stephanie. This is my piece here, and what I did was I used the 5000 grit sandpaper on the shiny side here, and then on the part that I want it to make it look satiny. Some people like that satiny look. That one's I use the 800 grit on. And so it depends on the customer what they want, if they want it really shiny or if they want it more of a satin base.
Definitely would recommend it. I've learned
for sure.
The way the class has been, and we got to do it on a real customer's house, got to see a real application over laminate, and it changed the whole kitchen. And realistic, there's not only money to be made in it, but it's also, you're satisfied customers. They're getting more than what they were expecting, and you're not destroying their whole house to do it. And so that's kind of the cool aspect of the whole process. So.
If I would not have taken this class, I could not have been a successful business owner in doing countertops, I believe strongly.